Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Is there a way to take the FTMO challenge for free? That's a question that I got after posting yesterday's video. If you haven't watched that video, you can simply pause this video and go and check out yesterday's video. So, is there a way to take the challenge without paying the fee? We said you need to pay a fee before you can actually take the FTMO challenge. So it depends on the amount that you are basically looking and how you are going to be tracking the challenge, whether you're going to be normal or you're going to be aggressive. You can see now it's changed to 250, but if you are going to take it for normal and we are looking for 10,000 US dollars, it's 150 that you have to pay this company in order to take this challenge. And we basically said FTMO is a company that funds traders. If you are a trader with a successful trading strategy or with a successful trading robot, and you feel you are being hindered from making a whole lot more money in trading because your capital is low and your friends, your family cannot borrow you money, of course, which I always am against. I'm against borrowing money from friends and family. It has a way of messing up relationships, and trading is something that you don't want to like take people's money and just say I'm going to trade with your money. Sometimes you lose the money and relationships go the other way. So I would advise that you find other ways to fund your accounts. One of them is taking this FTMO challenge, and hopefully if you pass it, then FTMO can give you whatever amount that you might be looking for in order to be able to play with the bigger boys, in order to play with the bigger boys. So this refundable fee, we said it's only refunded if you pass the challenge, you pass verification, and you are now a funded trader. The first pay that they give you, they also give you back the refund. But if you fail the challenge, you basically forfeit this fee. You basically forfeit the amount that you paid to take the challenge. So it's up to you to decide, does that mean you need to do this or not? But the question that I was asked then was, is there no other way to actually take the challenge without putting up this amount, which in any case, if you fail the challenge, you are going to forfeit? Yes, there is. If we scroll down, you can see here it says free trial. You can actually try the entire process completely free of charge. You get the point. This is clear. If you can read English, understand English, is free. You can understand this. So yes, there is a way of doing the FTMO challenge for free without paying the fees first. However, just like with like demo trading, this is just to test your strategies. This is just to test how you are going to take the challenge. This is where you can try out strategies for the FTMO challenge, where you can test out your robots, you can test out your approaches, your trading style, and everything, so that when you pass in this free trial, if you nail it in this free trial, then what? You come and you actually do the actual challenge. Then you can actually put in this fee, knowing and guaranteed that you know that you can actually pass the challenge. So if you are afraid of jumping in and doing the challenge right away and potentially losing this amount, if you fail the challenge, you can still actually take the free trial first, test out things, have a feel of the platform, have a feel of what to do, what not to do. Are you able to abide by these objectives, these conditions? Are you able to play within these restrictions? That you could test out on the free trial. If you show on the free trial, you try it and you know you can abide by these conditions and you are happy, then it's time to come and take on the FTMO challenge. Then you can pay this amount, definitely knowing that you can ace the FTMO challenge. So can you take the FTMO challenge without putting some money down? Yes, that's how you do it. Just go to the FTMO website and you can get everything from there. In terms of platforms, somebody asked as well, is basically you can trade with MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. I know most people still trade with MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader, despite what people say, is still a big player in the industry in terms of providing a platform for trading. They also use a C Trader. There are other platforms out there for trading, but that's what they actually use. So this is basically explaining everything that you probably need to know. In terms of trading conditions or leverage, you can see leverage is 1:100. 1:100, that's the leverage that you can use when you're trading with FTMO. And there is no limits to trading styles, which is important. Whether you are a scalper, whether you are a swing trader, whether you love position trading, but that's basically when you are now what, a funded trader, because you cannot position trade when you are supposed to show trading for 10 days. So what you want to do is probably use only day trading, swing trading, because you are trying to build a record here. You are trying to show them a consistent pattern of trading success. So you don't want to like position trading. Position trading, we are probably taking one position for the entire month. You cannot do that. So you want to day trade, obviously, and you want to swing trade. But basically, you still need to abide by these conditions. So they welcome any trading style. They basically welcome any trading style, and you can use EAs, Forex robots. If you've got a Forex robot that you think makes a lot of money and you want access to bigger capital, you can use EAs. You can use hedging strategies. You can trade discretionary. They basically no restrictions. So this is basically answering some of your questions, and you can also trade whether forex, whether commodities, whether indices, crypto, stocks, bonds. They don't just fund people for trading forex; they actually fund people for trading commodities. Those that are looking to trade indices, US 30, NAS 100, UK 100. Those indices, crypto, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, whatever you love to trade. Then definitely stocks and bonds. So whatever you are wanting to trade, you can take the challenge and they will fund you if you succeed. If you succeed, if you beat the challenge, they will fund you to trade whatever you want to trade. If you still have any more questions regarding the FTMO challenge, I've tried my best to explain FTMO challenge. You can leave them in the comment section below, but otherwise I think everything on the website is self-explanatory. You just need an understanding of basic English in order to understand everything here. So yeah, many traders are using FTMO. They are taking the FTMO challenge. So yeah, maybe go ahead and try it. If you're not so sure at first, you can try the free trial and see if you are able to abide by these conditions. If you are able to abide by these conditions, then if you are happy, then you can actually come and take the actual challenge where you need to pay this amount. If you succeed, it's going to be refunded to you once you become a funded trader. If you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, if you're looking to download stuff, Forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Like the video. Until next time, bye.